Welcome to this video on the future of solid-state batteries, a technical evolution for the next generation of electricians and energy storage. We are approaching the physical boundaries of the current lithium-ion standard, also known as the lithium-ion limit. New solutions are necessary to meet growing demands for safety and performance. The defining difference for performance and safety is the internal architecture, specifically the electrolyte. Solid-state batteries eliminate the need for a separator and are non-flammable, simplifying cell design and reducing risk. Solid-state batteries offer three major advantages: superior safety by virtually eliminating thermal runaway, fast charging capabilities, and higher energy density, potentially doubling capacity in the same footprint. Safety is reimagined with solid-state technology. The stable, solid electrolytes prevent thermal runaway, even when exposed to extreme heat, simplifying installation and maintenance by reducing cooling equipment needs. Solid-state technology targets 500+ watt-hours per kilogram, offering unmatched energy density. This could double the capacity and duration of residential battery systems. Solid-state batteries aim for a charging speed target of 10 to 15 minutes to go from 10% to 80% state of charge. This is significantly faster than current standard and fast-charge lithium-ion batteries. A technical specification shootout reveals key differences. Solid-state batteries use inert ceramic or polymer electrolytes, have a target cycle life of 5,000+ cycles, a wide operating temperature, and lower toxicity. Real-world applications include next-generation electric vehicles with 1,000-kilometer range, ultra-safe home storage for residential solar, and electric construction machinery.